Look, do you remember how I was struggling? While we were chatting, it's finally started to come together. I just realized I'm killing two birds with one stone, practicing my English and learning nail design. And I'm even showing it off to you. But captions are a must, just in case you can't understand me because my accent is probably pretty bad, right? But anyway, look what I've done so far. And thanks to those who watch it till the end. Your support means a lot. Acceptable?